welcome to channel ZZZ. Today we're going to be folding a fortune teller, which is like a very fun thing to play with. But do not rely on the fortunes. You know they're just superstitions, okay? So you'll need 4 different colored markers and a pencil to write the fortunes and colors in. Now let's start. Okay, so let's start. First, crease here. So basically make a cross crease. So it's basically the plus shape. So basically like this, so it separates into 4 squares. Then, get the corners, fold them to the middle. If you can't keep up, just pause. Now flip it over, do the same thing. Okay, now it is time to get your markers. So, start with the red one. So just do any shape, or just color the square in. So, red, green, orange, and blue. Okay. So now, fold it in half. And we're almost done here. Fold it in half again. Unfold, fold it in half again, unfold. Now, get your fingers into the pockets. So basically where you drew the colors. Push it in, then you're done. Now, let's write our fortunes. So you'll need some scissors for this. Okay, so we have our scissors here. So, make sure you have total adult supervision when you're using the scissors, because it's sharp. By the way, don't poke people with it. So you just get here. So just cut here, so you can separate all of the flaps into 8. So just get those lines. Every fortune teller should have 8 choices. Now you'll need a pencil to write all your fortunes. So you can say like you are something, or like a yes or no. So yeah. So I'll just do this magic 8-ball style. Yes, definitely. don't count on it. I forgot the period here. Yeah, I forgot the period. All signs point to yes. Definitely not. Seriously, don't do it. Go for it. So on all the flaps, you have to write some numbers, 1 to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just fold it back to a fortune teller. And there you have it. You're done. You're a fortune teller. So, I have a very special guest. And that's my sister. Who's going to play fortune teller. Zandrei.
Hello.
So, that's the question.
I'm gonna be a millionaire.
Okay, choose a color. Red. R-E-D.
5,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
8.
8. Go for it. You're gonna be a millionaire! Okay, next.
Am I cute?
Choose a color. B-L-U-E.
3.
1, 2, 3.
5.
All signs point to yes. Okay. Another question? Any other questions? Okay. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel ZDZ. And by the way, I might do a video on doing your suggestions, so put your suggestions on what to put below. Oh, by
Bye-bye.
the way, get a link to the instructions. Seriously. Bye.
Bye-bye.